Hello students and welcome to another science online class. This is video number 4 for the topic biochemistry and biomolecules. Now let's continue our discussion about carbohydrates. So carbohydrates are the major source of metabolic energy for both plants and animals. No, it also serves as a structural material, a component of the energy compound ATP or adenosine triphosphate, recognition sites on cell surfaces, and one of the three essential components of DNA and RNA. What is that? The sugar. So in DNA we have what we call the deoxyribose, and in RNA we have ribose. It is used to refer loosely to broad class of polyhydroxylated aldehydes and ketones commonly called as saccharides or sugars. So monosaccharides are monomers or simple sugars. So we have glucose, a fuel in most living things, fructose, the sweetest sugar found in fruits, galactose, milk sugar, ribose, sugar from RNA, and deoxyribose, sugar from DNA. So we have this, no? So this is the molecule structure of glyceraldehyde, okay, which is under trioses and dihydroxyacetone. Under pentoses or pentose sugar, we have the ribose and ribulose. Hexoses, we have the glucose, galactose, and fructose. Now, this is another representation of glucose, fructose, galactose, deoxyribose, and ribose. Remember, in the DNA structure, this is the pentose sugar. So molasses, okay, we can observe glucose there. Cherries composed of fructose or other fruits, and galactose can be observed and seen in yogurt. Disaccharides, when you say disaccharides, it means two simple sugars. Di means two, which is joined by glycosidic bonds. So we have lactose, where glucose combined with galactose, maltose combined with glucose and glucose, used in making beer, while sucrose is a combination of glucose and fructose. It is also and commonly called as table sugar. Ayan. So this is one monomer combined with another monomer. So what do you think is this? So it is the sucrose. So we have dehydration reaction in the synthesis of maltose. So remember, maltose is composed of glucose and glucose. So glucose under dehydration process, okay, which is the losing of water that makes a maltose or disaccharide compound with a glycosidic linkage. Another dehydration reaction between glucose and fructose. So we omit the water to form sucrose. Another, we have a glycosidic linkage in this part. So this is another representation of sucrose. This is lactose and maltose. So sucrose can be observed in sugar beet or sugar cane. Maltose can be seen in corn or hydrolysis of starch. And lactose can be observed in dairy products.